Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and doing well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you embroidery crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today's video, friends. Embroidery flower embroidery, the most popular embroidery style, draws daisies on flowers. Small bright flowers use soft pastel, bright color puffer for cushions, dresses are half prints and embroidery is one of the oldest and most loved handmade art in the world. It is the art of decorating fabric using needle and thread with simple stitches and colorful thread. Plain cloth can become a piece of art. Embroidery is not only a craft, it is creativity and symbolism combined together. In this video, we will talk about different embroidery designs, ideas, styles, stitches, how embroidery can bring beauty into everyday life, the beauty of embroidery. Friends, embroidery has been part of human culture of hundreds of years. For hundreds of years, people use embroidery to decorate clothing, home textiles, and special ceremonies fabrics. Even today, handmade embroidery feels special because every stitch is made by hand. No two pieces are exactly same. Embroidery allow you to express your personality, thought, colors, pattern, and texture. It turns simple fabric into something meaningful and personal. Flower embroidery design. Flower embroidery is one of the most popular styles. Flowers are timeless, beautiful. They can be small and delicate or large and details. Common flower designs include rose, tulips, daisies, wildflowers. Flower embroidery look lovely on cushions, covered dresses, table lines, wall frame using soft color combination. Creative or gentle and elegant look. Bright color can make designs lively and cheerful. Flowers are also perfect for parents' beauty. Because they use simple stitches. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, viewers and friends.